Hello there, my beloved people. Well, it's been a long time. It's been a week ever since I uploaded a video. My bad, but here we are. I just made this contract maker. Now, we're just gonna give it name. We're just gonna give it the name of the provider of service, the name of the service, a start date, end date, and the amount to be paid, and it will create us the proper agreement. Now, mind you, this is the whole vehicle. You can change the agreement, you can make the agreement as per your business, and that's all. It's plug and play template already. All you have to do is just, get the free template from the link in the description and plug into your n8n and use it, bro. And let me know how you feel about it. Now, let me give you a demonstration of this. Okay, so first we just type the name of the client. The name of the client is, say, client. No, let's say John. Release a monthly service. About 40 first week, 26. First June, 26. Now give us that here. We got it. Let's download it and let's open it. Here we go. Project description. As I told you, I'm giving you the vehicle, complete working vehicle. You just have to customize the agreement. That's all. This service agreement is made between C.Dont and our hand service provider, marketing service. The total service fee is $40,000, and yada yada yada. You see, so cool. Like it makes us so efficient to make contracts. Anyway, let me just get you into the insights of the system and how this is all working, so that you can make this on your own. And by the way, if you don't want to make this on your own and want me to help you out, build this on your own, or you want me to customize it to your business, feel free to book a call with me, bro. Anyway, let's get into it. Well, the first trigger, of course, it's Telegram trigger. We are going to be sending it messages, and it will be passing all of the text into AI agent, which we have named contract here. So we have actually given this agent this prompt. Let me just open it. Why is it not opening? Ah, come on, bro. Yeah, there we go. So we are going to put the source of prompt will be defined below, and then here we have the text that we are going to be receiving from Telegram trigger, which is this one. We just drag and drop here. All of this, by the way, I'm assuming that you already know how to connect this Telegram trigger to your Telegram account with the API. And if you don't, just leave a comment down below and I'll make a video on it. And then we have the system prompt. And this system prompt is pretty much designed so that it will ask us all the questions. And when all the questions are answered, like client name, provider name, project description, payment amount, start date, end date, it will then send all of that into the true branch that we have here. Okay. So in the true branch, we just have one thing. JSON.input expression contains just double inverted comma. That's it. We are going to have that only when there are all the answers of all the questions. Do you understand what I mean? And if it's not that, then it will keep asking questions. Send a text message, send a text message. You know what? Let me just show you how this works. So we say client. It will go through the false branch. You know why? Because it doesn't have this format. JSON.output doesn't have inverted commas. And if we do it once again, yeah, there we go. When it has all of the info, it's going to give us output in this format, which is output, double inverted comma, yada, yada, yada. And that's how this true and false branch works. Now let's go further. Now we need to parse it. We don't want data in this format, otherwise we won't be able to use it. We need it separately, and hence we are using this code, which gives us everything individually and separately. For example, client name, client Kent, provider name Arhan, FB marketing, $500, 2nd Feb and 4th January, with date by whatever. I'm just showing you as an example. This system is definitely not perfect, but this is definitely something that you can implement in your daily business. And you can polish it even more, of course. Automation is something that can get better and better with expertise. And then we have HTML file extraction set. You know what we are going to do? We already have a contract HTML that I created with ChatGPT. Just ask it to create an HTML file, the HTML code for a contract, and you can just tell it the requirements that you want. And that's it. And tell it what variables do you want. There, of course, the client name, the provider name, start date, end date, payment amount. It's all going to be variable. If you want any extra variable, just mention it to it and it will do it. So we have the file there, and we are going to be downloading it with the download file node of Google Drive. I have selected the contract.html from here. And then we are going to extract that. And the node that we're using is extract from file node. And in the input binary field, it's only going to be data. Destination output field, you can keep anything, contract.html or agreement.html or final.html, anything that you want. After that, it's going to extract all the HTML code into here, as we can see here. And then we are going to parse that. With parsing, this code is also replacing the placeholders with our names, with our variables that we gave it to, that we gave to it. That means the amount that we specify from Telegram, it's replacing that particular place with that amount. Same with name, same with provider name, same with service name, same with start date, and same with end date, as you can see here. Client name, provider name, replace, payment amount, start date, etc., etc. So that's how we are parsing it. And we are naming it final underscore HTML. Now, we are going to do something very interesting over here. I don't know why, but when I was converting it to file directly from HTML to file to PDF, it was showing me some random codes. It was either that or it was just showing me the whole HTML code. It wasn't showing me the document, the agreement that I just showed you at the beginning of this video. So what I did is I converted the HTML file into base64 file, and base64 file is just a more organized text. Yeah, it might as well just look like binary code, but it's not. It's using all the alphabets. We converted that with this code. And by the way, you don't have to worry about any of this stuff. All of this is going to be in the template. So just enjoy, play with it, do something. And now we are going to be converting it to a file. With the convert to file node, the operation will be move 64 string to file. The output will be named data. Okay. Finally will be agreement.html. MIME type will be text.html. You have to mention this. If you don't, then you might just face errors, which I of course don't want you to. By the way, I look like Alex Hormozy. Besides, just his physique is a bit bigger than mine, but we're kind of on the same level. Anyway. And then, my friend, we are using Convert API. After converting it to file, we are going to be converting it to PDF. The way we are doing it is by using Convert API. Here we are. As you can see, I have in total conversions. By the way, it's free for the first 250 conversions, so it's It's fine. You can do it. It's giving you more than you can use. And connecting it to n8n node is pretty simple. You just add a HTTP node like this. Let me just show you how to do it. You click here, HTTP node. Let me just show you how to do it manually. You don't necessarily have to put the token yourself. You just have to go to HTML to PDF or any API that you're using. Go down, down, down. You have code snippet, which is curl. You copy it. You go back. You import curl. Paste it here. Boom. We have it. And here is our API key. So easy, right? And then you just put the data field name. In our case, it's data, DATA. And we're good to go. After that, we just have a send a document Telegram node, which just sends the link. And when we click on it, it downloads automatically and opens in a new tab in our browser. With that, ladies and gentlemen, we're done with today's video. I hope you learned something new. I hope the template is going to help you. Don't forget to take advantage of that. By the way, you guys are not subscribing. Make sure you subscribe, all right? It helps me, it supports me. I want to build a community of at least 100 people, bro. Like, come on.